Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps freezing on the application of Chatbot AI Nova. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will search for Chatbot AI Nova. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.